Hope you all have to the class of mathematics, class 8. Today we'll begin with the exercise 10.1, and in this exercise we will study about the different views of the object, how object looks from the different views. So the first question is, for each of the given solid, the views are given. Match each view with the appropriate solid. So here different objects are given to you, side view and top views are given. You have to match them with their correct views. So here the first object is of water bottle. So you just have to find out the top view and side view of the water bottle. So if you will look your water bottle from the top, then you will just find out the cap, and the shape of the cap is circular. So find out the top view of the water bottle. Here you can see this is the rectangular, so this cannot be the answer. This can be, but here again there is a thread which is not the correct view. So the correct view is this one. So this is the top view of the water bottle, and from the side view you can find out easily. So you will connect it in this way, first the side view and then top view. The next is weigh. So weighing scale, ये 5 किलोग्राम का है. You have to find out the top view. If you will look it from the top, then you will find out this top surface which is like this. So this is the top view, and then you have to find out the side view. So if you will look it from the side, then it will be somewhat like this. So this is the side view of this object. Moving to the next, third one, this one, flask. So here top view something looks like this, and in this you will find the thread, means this one is the top view and this can be the side view. It's easy, no dear students? Yes, it's very easy. Then the next is cup and saucer. So over here, if you will look it from the top, then this can be the top view and this can be the side view. So this is how you can identify the top view, front view and side view, and this is the one type of question that you have to identify the top view, front view and side view from each given views. Here again the next question, that you have to identify the top view, front view and side view. So here Almirah is given and 3 views are given. From this you have to identify the top, side and front. So if you will look it from the top, then you will find out this view. If you will look it from the front, then this can be your front view, this is your top view and this is your side view. So this is how you have to name the view, that first one is front, second is side and the third is top. Similarly you can go with this matchbox. I am going with TV. So here television, they have given the front view, so this can be the front view. Then top view, this can be the top view and this can be the side view of the television. So this is the one kind of question which is possible based on the top view, front view and side view. Similarly, I am giving you 1 minute to solve for this car, that which can be the front, top and side view. First one is what? Second one and third one. So are you ready, my dear students? Yes. Come on, start it. Okay, so did you get the correct answer? It's easy, na? Yes. So what's the correct answer? This one is the top view, this is the front view and this one is the side view of the car. Okay, if you want to take practical, then you can have water bottle, you can try to look it from the top, you can try to look it from the side, front. Similarly, you can do this with the cars also and with matchbox also. You will find it very easy. Moving to the question 4. Question 3 is similar to this one, so you can try to solve by yourself. Let's move with question 4. So what do you have given in question 4? The question 4 is, draw the top view, front view and side view, or only front view and side view? Yes, all. Top view, front view and side view of the object. I already told you, dear students, that two types of questions can be possible. One is to identify the top view, front view and side view, and the another is you have to draw the top view, front view and side view. Means you will be given with a picture, you have to draw the top view, front view and side view of that picture. Okay, so let's take example of this one. So if you will look it from the front to the tent, then you will find out this triangle with the line in the middle. So this is the front view and this is how you have to draw the front view. Similarly, if you will look it from the side, then you will look this kind of shape. So you will draw the shape like this. And similarly, if you will look it from the top, then you will be able to find out this kind of shape. Okay, so that will be the shape of the top view. Similarly, you have to do it for rest of the object. Let's try to do it for this dice. If you will look the dice from the top, then you will find out the view, or you will find out the square shape with two dots. If you will look it from the side, means you will find out the shape with one dot. And if you will look it from the front, then you will find out the shape with this three dots. Okay, so this is how you can draw the different views of the object. So here we are ending with the exercise 10.1. Then after, in next video, we'll begin with the new exercise. Thank you and have a great day.